Ego Power Plus Electric Riding Mower TR4204, the silent revolution in lawn care. You're standing in your garage on Saturday morning, staring at your riding mower, already dreading the ritual. Prime the carburetor, check the oil, cross your fingers and pull the starter cord 5 times before the engine finally sputters to life. Then comes the deafening roar that makes your neighbors close their windows, the exhaust fumes that cling to your clothes for hours, and that nagging Sunday night dread knowing you'll spend next weekend doing it all over again. And here's the thing. You've accepted this as normal because everyone else suffers through it too. The constant maintenance, the trips to buy gas and oil, the belt that needs replacing every season, the carburetor that floods at the worst possible moment. Sound painfully familiar? Drop a comment if you're exhausted by gas mower drama. That ongoing tension drains more than just your weekend. Every mowing session means breathing exhaust fumes for an hour while your ears ring from the overwhelming noise. You're spending $200 annually on gas, oil changes, filters, spark plugs, and belts that wear out constantly. The mental load of wondering whether today's the day the engine refuses to start or the transmission belt finally snaps mid-mow. Common fixes never solved anything. You bought premium gas, you changed oil religiously, you stored it properly over winter with fuel stabilizer, yet every spring brings the same frustrating startup problems and expensive repair bills. Let me explain what nobody tells you. The wasted hours aren't just during mowing. They're the trips to hardware stores for parts, the weekend afternoons spent on maintenance you don't understand, the garage space consumed by fuel cans and oil jugs. But there's a calmer way to maintain your lawn without the noise, fumes, and endless maintenance cycle. Then everything changed when I discovered the Ego Power Plus Electric Riding Lawnmower TR4204. Don't just pick any riding mower. Make sure it has dual brushless direct drive motors with modular battery power so you never suffer through pull cord starting failures and constant engine maintenance that literally everyone complains about again. Here's what finally worked. You press a button and it starts instantly, every single time, in any weather, without priming or choking. The 42-inch deck, powered by 2 belt-free brushless motors, cuts up to 1.5 acres on one charge with the 6 included 56-volt batteries. 0 gas, 0 oil changes, 0 belt replacements, 0 exhaust fumes. The silence alone transforms the entire mowing experience into something you don't dread anymore. After 6 months of weekly mowing, the transformation feels permanent. Saturday mornings start without mechanical anxiety or startup rituals. You simply sit down, press the button, and mow in near complete silence at speeds up to 6 miles per hour with cruise control handling the long straight passes effortlessly. The 12 deck height positions from 1.5 to 4.5 inches give you precise control season after season. Outdoor power equipment analysts called this the most convincing argument yet for electrification of mid-acreage lawn care with superior torque consistency. A sustainability influencer mentioned, "The quiet operation is astounding. I can listen to podcasts while mowing and finish my 1.2-acre lot with 20% battery remaining." Real users consistently report 0 maintenance costs beyond occasional blade sharpening, compared to $200 annually for gas mower upkeep. Now, about the investment. Consider the fuel and maintenance you'll never buy again. The batteries work across 75+ other Ego tools, making them a versatile power platform for your entire outdoor equipment suite. Which matters most? Silent operation, 0 maintenance, or eliminating gas and oil forever? The transformation happens across all 3 simultaneously. Join the thousands of homeowners who quietly switched to electric and stopped accepting noise, fumes, and constant maintenance as normal. The Ego Power Plus Riding Lawnmower TR4204 delivers gas-equivalent power with 1.5-acre range, whisper-quiet operation, and virtually 0 maintenance that fundamentally changes how weekend lawn care feels.
Results may vary based on property size and grass conditions. Ready to experience what effortless mowing actually feels like? Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment to explore your options. Click and discover the difference today. Your weekends deserve this freedom from gas mower hassles.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.